Hello guys, my name is Salwa Kamel and today I am teaching my students food chain science lesson by using a flipped classroom. Let us start. So the day before the lesson, I gave my students, I assigned a video for them to watch the videos. Assignment was to watch the video and then they have to figure out what do we mean by food chain. So this was the video, and the video I just start the video. I give you like 2 or 1 minute, and I'll keep going because I don't want my presentation to be too long. So this was a part of the video I assigned yesterday for my students. Their assignment to watch it and answer the question, and on the day of the teaching the lesson, this was my lesson. So I asked them based on the video they watched yesterday to start to write their own definition for food chain, and I give them time about 10 to 2 minutes to write their own definition. And then we will start to show each other, the student work in pairs to show their pairs what did they write or what did they get from the video. So food chain, as they watch it, that it shows the transfer of energy within an ecosystem. And some students, if they don't know or they are not they don't like to write, I give the option to draw for them to draw simple drawing to show me the definition. Then I give my students some practice what they already learned, and my rule to go around and check that they are engaged and they are working and give them feedback about their answers. So I asked them to look at the following pictures. As you see, I give them sample pictures, and I asked them to tell me what is the relationship between the following animals and plants, and of course their response which should be first in groups or in pairs, and then they can show me what they are doing, or I can ask individual of them to come in front of the class and share with their friends their responses. Then if we go to the next slide, we will see that I review with them, also with my students, the important vocabulary that they will meet or that they watched yesterday in the video. To just give them a summary of what they learned. So producer, they watch about the producer, that they are the plants, trees, also consumers, any organisms that feeds on plants or other animals to get their energy. Decomposers, those organisms that break down another dead bodies to get their energy, like mushrooms, insects, worms, and bacteria. Also, I give them some information about the most important items or terms like herbivores, carnivores, and omnivores. The next slide, it is a practice to practice what they learned already. So I give them to sort some simple pictures, and it is fun for them to see these pictures in colorful and easy way to apply what did they study yesterday. So sort the following pictures to match the three titles: consumer, producer, decomposers. I give them time to work, of course, like 2 or 3 minutes, and then I start to go to the next step, which is watch another video, and after the video they will sort some more pictures. I'll start the video, but I'll not display all of it. So this was the video, part of the video. My students watch it, and after the video they will sort some more pictures, but this time according to 3 more titles: herbivores, carnivores, or omnivores. Then this is most important part of my lesson. It is an exercise that develops the critical thinking for my students. So I give them a question like this, open question, and I ask them to imagine or pretend if what will happen if one organism of the food chain is missing. So I give them 3 items, and they start to do their own scenario about what will happen for each scenario. So if we don't have grass or plants, what will happen? Next time, another scenario: if we don't have rabbits or herbivores, what will happen? And then eagles. And in each time, in each scenario, they have to respond, and they can participate in groups. Independent practice. This is the step when we ask the students to apply what they understand already in the lesson by starting to create or design their own food chain. And this is individual practice. They can add 1 more square, or if they wanted to just use 3 of them, it will be okay. And the assessment part, it is very important also. So I give them like from 5 to 7 minutes to write 5 sentences, paragraph about food chain. And then for the exit ticket, as it is very important part also to develop their own metacognition skills. The exit ticket is today in a piece of paper: write or draw an example of producer, consumer, or decomposer. This was my lesson, an example of teaching food chain for my students by using flipped classroom method. Thank you for watching.